There are two ways to do an infinity bun, and I'm going to show you both and why the second one works better for longer hair. And I can still remember when I couldn't do it at all because I didn't have enough hair. So the first one is your Cinnabunning, making sure that you put plenty of twist in the whole way. Do it a little bit off center. I just did it like a hair to the right. And then once you've got all your hair wrapped up in there, the next step is you're just gonna pull that top loop off and to the left. And that is what creates that figure eight shape. So then we'll put a flexi in there to hold it, and you will see that the issue with this one is that it puts a lot of bulk on one side. So the left side has almost nothing, the right side has like an entire bun behind it. And that's why this variation isn't necessarily the best one for super long hair. So the second variation is where you just basically manually build a figure eight shape with twisting your hair and just putting it into the shape that you want. So there's the first loop. I'm gonna make the second loop and put my hair stick in to hold it while I wrap around the back of the bun. First, I'll just get that tail out of the way. I love this hair stick. It's so simple and elegant. It's wooden. This is a Lila Rose one. Link in description. So finish wrapping it around, grab it and make sure it stays the direction that I want it. And just tuck the tail in, and then that is the second variation of an infinity bun. And I have a little lump in my hair, but if not for that, this would have turned out pretty good.